One pattern or observation I always share with my students who are learning multiplication and division facts is the following. Anytime you multiply an even, your answer is going to be even. So for example, an even times an even is an even answer. 6 times 4 is 24. Anytime you do an even times an odd, your answer will be even. 6 times 5 is 30. But anytime you multiply an odd times an odd, you get an odd answer. So for example, 5 times 7 is 35. I always kind of make a joke of this and say something like, whenever you've got an even around, it'll keep things even. But when those odds get together, things get really odd. And sometimes you get a few laughs here and there with the kids. But I really do think that actually helps them understand. And maybe when they're double guessing, like, wait, it's the answer 34 or 35, that sort of pattern will click into their head and say, oh, I know that that's an odd and an odd, that's going to be odd. And we actually, again, look at that chart and say, here it is, check them all out. And a lot of times, again, you get that mind blown sort of reaction from the kids. Curious to know if you ever knew that trick, or not trick, but sort of pattern. And if you've ever thought about that before. Have a good one.